Hello everybody, and we are starting right where we left off last time, if you cannot tell by everything burning down. If you do enjoy this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It does mean a lot to me, and it helps out the channel. Start a small little fire there, and let's get to work. Nice job painting. These are a little charred here and there, but yada yada yada. These business worn down. Okay, well, I need to go before I die. Ooh, I haven't seen this one before. Steal computers, investigate, da-da-da-da-da. Okay. There's 4 that I need to get. I'm guessing that these are all going to have alarms on them, sadly. Although I haven't been here yet, so I'm not sure. Not a monster. I haven't been here yet. I don't want to destroy everything just yet. Okay, so there are alarms. Okay. So I'm gonna quick save here for a second. Okay, good thing I quick saved. Okay, now I can grab that right there. Okay, that's what I like to see. Okay, and do a small little cut there. No longer caring about their property, since they had to put security on things. Quick save here. Now I should be able to, yep. Okay, so start there, run there. Or am I starting here? Okay, I think I'm going to start over here, run over this way, try to grab that, and then head for the boat. Okay, I can try to pick that up along the way. All depends on how much time I have and where the location of it is. This other one, I think it said was in this building. Yes, I think that looked like the bottom floor. Okay, there it is. Move that out of the way. Okay, so put a hole in the ceiling. Fall down, grab that, run out. Okay, now I just need to check and see where that is. So in here, I'm guessing it's in here. No, in here, through here. Okay, so it's gonna be straight through this doorway. You know, there's probably a lot of valuables around here. Oh, is this the, no, it's not the one that I need to get. Just do a quick save right here. Okay, come on. Out of the way. Okay. Right there. There, jump up here. Over here. Ooh. Okay. Just to make this a little easier, quick save this. And let's go. Through here, grab that. Continue on our way. Grab that. Okay, round, jump. Oh. That's gonna cost me a little time. Not a whole lot, though. I feel like I would also be able to get that one. Oh, I don't know what I just blew up. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, so I think it is definitely possible to get all of them there, all 7. Oh, this is quite nice. Oh, looks like I redid the bathroom. Got the furnace here still. Break it because that definitely seems like it's electric. Some storage work going up. My hood is finally on. Skadoosh. That is beautiful. Let's check out upstairs, although, actually, I don't think that anything's gonna be... Was this here before? I don't know. Nope, still alive. Okay. Insurance problem. Insurance fraud. Okay, so I have to get 3. I'm not sure what I have to get 3 of, but I have to get 3. Fraud. Help Gordon steal at least 3 of his own cars. Help him with the insurance payout. Okay, so I have to put them all in here. Okay. There's 1 car there, another car in there, so... This car I'm gonna drive here. That way when I steal this one there, and then I can drive there and drive that one out. I mean, I think I should get a secondary vehicle. I mean, this one, can I shift this one over? I may be able to shift that one over. Or is there a truck I can put that on? I mean, it looks like it's secured to the generator, so I may be able to get the generator onto the vehicle on a trailer with it. What was I just saying? So right goes down, left goes up. This one could be very tricky. Have I done this one before? I think I've done this one before. I don't think I've stolen the cars. I'll take that. Oh, the car doesn't have any. Okay, I'm gonna try moving this truck to a better position. Hopefully I don't destroy the truck while trying to do this. But anything's possible. Hmm. 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 So that seems like it's gonna be difficult. You sure he doesn't want me to steal that one? That one looked fairly easy to steal. Oh. Ooh. How many do I have to steal? I have to steal at least 3. Okay. 3 should not be horrible. I mean, I already have a plan for 2 of them. Seems like someone helicoptered that one, or helicoptered that one in. Okay, you... I'm gonna just try to get you out of the way, since I don't believe I'm going to need you. Or you be stubborn and stay right there. Doesn't affect me. Quick save this. Although, while I'm here, I'll take... Oh, I can't. I have a different idea that may work. Okay, what involves me getting a car intact. Preferably... I mean, this van will work, I guess. As long as it stays mainly intact. You can do it! There we go. I said mainly. Oh! Okay. This one can be used to get me to that car over there. This one can be used to get me to this car. Yeah, I've been here before. I'll take that. Anything over here? Nope. Thought I saw something shiny in there. Anything in there? Nope. Okay, so I know all of those that I want to get. I want to get those two in there. And I want to go get the muscle car over here. That one I should probably use the pistol to loosen up. I should upgrade the pistol, or at least to get more ammo for now. So I guess I won't be doing it in order. Probably should have saved. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. There's that one. Oh, where was this one? Oh, I drove past it. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna make it. Why didn't I save? Why didn't I save? Come on, 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 come on. Oh. Well, that's where I'm going to leave. If you did enjoy, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It all does mean a lot to me and helps out the channel. Thank you, and bye-bye.